Ah, yes, the van life. Could it really be the modern American dream? The lifestyle we all so desperately crave for from the comfort of our screens? The life that seems all too good to be true? Perhaps too good to be true at all? Oh, throw a couple crossed leg photos in there. They like those. Oh, and why not a couple topless blondes? Those seem popular. Welcome to the show. My name is Jake Sturkenberg, and I'm an enthusiast of what I like to call the road life. Tune in as I talk to several guests about the truth of these varying lifestyles.
I looked around, I looked up the building, and a camera. Right on the
camera.
side. Yep, where I left a mark.
Because she's a girl, she might get a little embarrassed.
Oh, that's a little sexist. That's a bold statement. That is the end of... Okay, stop talking. This is my turn. The Modern American Dream Tapes. First episode available now on YouTube.